Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use the extend command in AutoCAD. Let's say I want to extend this line in a way that it touches this boundary of the rectangle. One way to do that is to pick this endpoint of the line and drag it to the boundary of the rectangle and click on the screen. An easy way to do that is to use the extend command. So to activate the extend command, you can use the command extend or you can use its alias ex. Press enter. AutoCAD is asking you to specify the objects. So you have to select both the line that you want to extend and the object where you want your line to be extended to. So let's select this object and select this line. Press enter. Now AutoCAD is asking you to select the objects that you want to extend. So we want to extend this line. Hover over this line and you'll see that this line is being extended towards the boundary. Click on the line and you'll see that it has been extended. To get out of the extend command, press escape. You can also activate the extend command using the extend icon here in the modify panel. So let's say I want to extend all these lines. So you can select all the lines along with the rectangle, press enter. And to extend all of these lines, let's select all the lines together and click on the screen. So you can see that you have extended all the lines in one go. To get out of the trim command, press escape. Let's try the extend command with the arc here. Activate the extend command, select the object, press enter. And when I hover over this arc, you can see that it extends towards the selected line. So hover over the arc and click on the screen and you have extended the arc till the line. Press escape to get out of the extend command.